Tired of your crypto being stuck on exchanges? Let's unlock the world of self-custody and decentralized finance with Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet app from your app store once installed. Tap Create New Wallet. You'll be asked to choose a username. This is how others can easily send you crypto. Next, and this is crucial, back up your recovery phrase. I strongly recommend using the backup to Google Drive option or the cloud option, but you can also manually store it offline. This phrase is your only key to your crypto if you lose your phone, so guard it with your life. Now let's send and receive crypto. To receive, tap the Receive button, select the cryptocurrency and share your wallet address or QR code with the sender to send. Tap Send, enter the recipient's address, the amount, and confirm the transaction. Want to explore DeFi? Tap the browser icon to access decentralized applications, or dApps. Connect your wallet and start trading, lending, or exploring the possibilities. Always do your research before interacting with any dApp. Finally, security is paramount. Enable biometric authentication in your settings. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and always double-check addresses before sending crypto to avoid mistakes. Welcome to the future of crypto, in your control.